Mutations are mistakes in the DNA that are caused as a result of messing up during replication or transcription. Most of the time in our DNA we have these proofreading enzymes that will catch and fix the mistakes that occur during replication or transcriptions. But sometimes these proofreading enzymes don't catch a mistake, and that mutation can sometimes be passed on. Mutations are caused by mutagens, and a mutagen is anything that causes a mutation. Some examples of mutagens would be drugs, for example, taking in too much tobacco, over-medicating on prescription drugs. Chemicals are also a mutagen, which can be caused by air or water pollution, also overusing pesticides. And radiation can also cause mutations, so overexposure to the sun can damage the cells in your skin, also overexposure to X-rays. A mutation will or can lead to a new protein, and remember, it's the order of proteins that give you your specific traits. Mutations will cause genetic variation within populations. Sometimes mutations are good, sometimes they're bad. And if a mutation occurs in a sex cell or a gamete, that mutation can be passed on to offspring. There are two types of mutations. The first mutation is a point mutation, and this is when one nucleotide is replaced by another. For example, a G is changed to an A instead. And an example of a trait that is caused by a mutation, or a point mutation, is sickle cell anemia. And remember, sickle cell anemia is when your red blood cells can't carry oxygen because they have a different shape than what they should. The second type of mutation is a frameshift mutation. And this is when you add a nucleotide or delete a nucleotide. Therefore, it can make your DNA strand longer or shorter. And some example of traits that are caused by frameshift mutations would be albinism, Tay-Sachs disease, or even Huntington's disease.